Hi guys, it's 3 a.m. I thought I'd just do a little bit of sky watching while Chevy's going to the toilet. I'm assuming the moon's up there, behind those clouds. You can hear the wildlife, maybe. Here it comes. There, disappearing from behind the clouds. Well, the clouds are moving across. Excuse me, guys. It's not a full moon. Not yet. Square clouds up there. I don't know if it'll pick it up, but there's square clouds up there. But let's just focus on the moon a minute, I suppose. You could probably hear sounds around me. Gotta be honest, I feel a little nervy out here on my own. Chevy's inside. Oh, she might come out, but... Okay, just want to keep an eye up here for a few minutes. Like I said, it's 3 a.m. or after 3 a.m. Thursday morning. And I will be going to sleep in bed. Is that night sounds? If you see anything, let me know in the comments, because, you know, I can miss stuff. I'm only human. Well, you know. Couple of stars over there. Yeah, but there's a few clouds up here, especially over here, a square. You know, might not be able to see properly, I can't tell right now till I watch it back. Let's open right up now. See our moon. I'm not sure what sign it's in because I haven't looked it up. Sorry guys, but anyway. It was just a random decision to come out and just film a bit of the moon. What are those clouds above the moon? Look as though they're behind the moon. that? That worries me. It's an optical illusion. Why it looks as though some of those clouds there looked as though they were behind the moon. Like, the moon looks as though it's in front of those clouds. The white ones. Well, the illuminated ones. Sorry I'm moving a bit. Just like I said, I feel a bit nervous out here on my own at night. But yeah. I get it how it's the clouds that are meant to move, but it just seems weird that it looks as though the moon's moving. If the clouds are moving there. I think it's an optical illusion. I'm really looking at it too long. Now, come on, look. Those clouds are behind the moon. Check it out. Oh, there's a couple there in front, the dark ones. See that? They're going over in front. That's scary. But it's probably just a possum. Oh no. That's scary. So the dark clouds go in front and the white ones go behind. So far, those ones are in front. I'm sorry. I was staying centre. You can hear that. I'm looking around. I can't see anything. There's something there, obviously. Okay, we'll just see what happens with these next clouds coming up, whether they're in front or behind. These clouds coming up, it looks. Dark ones in front. White behind. Oh no. It's hard to tell, I have to zoom in, but I did see. Oh, it's still moving. Oh, strange how it looks as though it's the moon that's moving and not the clouds. Okay, clouds in front of the moon. Dark ones, yeah. Like, that's normal. Okay, so everything seems normal now, but before it wasn't. And I'll just zoom over where the sound's coming from, over here somewhere in the dark. So I'm going back in because I'm a little freaked out. One more look at the moon. Where the heck is it? Because it's hiding now. It's behind those clouds. Behind there. You think it'd be a little more brighter? Maybe it is a tad, but come on. Anyway. That's the nightly birds. Gecko, bat over there. Probably possums in the trees. Anyway, love to all. And Oh. Oh. Alrighty. Um, I'm trying to get the right spot. There's clouds. Look, that's the moon peeking out from the dark. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get a hold of it, but I'm having trouble finding it um through here. It's back. Yeah, it's back behind the dark. Alright, I'm in the wrong spot. I'm sorry. It's probably because I've zoomed out. But above there, below, just there. Yeah, right in the middle there. That's where it was, going in. Hmm. But yeah, I was distracted because I see a lot of square clouds where they're white or dark. Some of them look like, those rocks, how they're all together and you wonder how. A few clouds like that. Just look over here. If you see anything, let me know. Activity's getting pretty wild. It's after 3 in the morning. Alright guys, happy Thursday and take it easy. Love to all. Bye for now.